Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you about a secret website which provides you free and unlimited API credits to any model such as Claude, Gemini, GPT, Quen, any model that you actually use. This website is OpenRouter.ai. I'm using this website for past 3 years. It's an old website, it's not a new website. If you know, I think you will know about it, OpenRouter.ai. So this actually works as a interface for any AI model that is there. So once you register on this website, I've already done that. You can log in with your Google account. As you see, I've already done that. So right here in the search bar, if you type for your favorite model, so Claude Opus will come right here. As you can see, Claude Opus, Link, Quen, Audio. We also have Grok, Gemini. All these models are there. So you can see a very big list is there. You can see simply DeepSeek, GLM. So all the models are there. So whenever there is a new model which is released in the market, so it is first of all released on this website openrouter.ai. So to get the API key, it's very easy. So it gives you this API tokens for once you register. 10 million plus users use this website. It has 70 plus providers, 400 plus models. So the concept is very simple. Once you log in, you go to the your profile section. So they also offer this playground chat option as well, where you can actually compare each model. So there is an option right here to add a model. So directly you can simply search from this. So if you want to actually use the Claude Opus model, you simply select the model. After that, you simply type the message and it will respond to you. I type the message. This is a perfect website if you want to use any website, any model for totally free and unlimited. So now you can see that it also gives me the cost, how much tokens are consumed. It actually gives me the response back. And now to create the API key, it's very simple. You go to the API key section right here, if you see. And now to create the API key, it's very simple. You click on this new key option, just give it a name and click on create. So this will be your API key. As you see, you copy this API key to clipboard. And after that, now to consume this API key, it's very simple. If you're using VS Code, you can install this extension which is CLIN, CLIN. This extension is really useful. You can even use RU code as well to consume this API key. So CLIN is very popular. So simply install this extension. It's got almost 5 million installs. So once it gets installed, it will be appearing right here. And simply activate this extension. And after you got this API key, it's very simple. You go to the settings option, click on this button, and from here you simply select the API provider to be OpenRouter. This option will come right here. As you see, simply select OpenRouter and paste your API key that you got. I pasted my API key. After you paste the API key, all the models will come. There are also free models as well. As you see, this free will be attached at the last. These are all the free models. You can even search, just search free. So these are all the free models that are there. So let me select this free model, that is this one. And after that, click on the done button. That's all the configuration which is needed. And if you type hi here, it will respond to you. So this is really simple. You install the extension in VS Code to actually consume this API for any AI model through this website OpenRouter, which is really popular. You can even use the second extension as well, which is RU code. So some AI models will be really used in the free model. If one model is not working, you can search for any other model. Let's suppose I use the Claude Opus, Claude Fable 5, so which is the most popular model. So I click on done. So this also responds to me. As you can see, it is responding. Let me cancel this and simply search, click the create new task. So right here I simply say top 10 Node.js frameworks in 2026. So I simply ask the message and now it will respond to me by using that Claude Opus, Claude Fable 5 model. So this website is really awesome, guys. It also tells you how much you are spending, how the total number of requests, which models you have consumed the request, how much tokens that you have consumed. So all the information will be right here. And you can use it with any provider. It can be Claude Code, Codex. So come to the website, just log in with your Google account and then go to API keys and just create your API key. That's all that you need to do. Very simple website. So you can see it is now responding to me, the top 10 frameworks. So it also gives me the top 10 frameworks, a little bit description. So as you can see, we are using the Anthropic Claude Fable 5 model. So this is really interesting, guys. And the most important thing that I forgot to tell you, this is you do need to add some credits as well. So go to settings, you see this credits option. So once you register, you get some sample credits. But now to add some credits, you click the add credits option. And through Stripe, you can actually purchase some credits, which is really simple if you want $5 credits. So as you see, I purchased $5 credits on May 18th. So it's very simple. You can even add a payment method as well. So you can add a credit card as well. So which is really simple. So definitely check this secret website openrouter.com, which is really useful in consuming credits for any AI model. So right here it exactly tells you which or models you are consuming. So it exactly tells you how much you consumed right here, usage by model. So you can see I consumed this Claude Fable 5 model. It exactly tells me how is the cost here. So everything is actually shown to you in the description. So you can even see the rankings as well. They actually week by week basis. It exactly tells you the top 10 AI models which are there in the market by coding, by different classifications, market shares, everything. So you do need to check this leaderboard out each and every week to actually see any other new AI model which is released in the market. So it's a very important website, guys. If you are a developer, if you want to generate images, videos, OpenRouter.ai, definitely check this website out for getting the API key for any AI model.